Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and today Samsung announced the brand new Galaxy Note 10, and this time for the first time ever they announced two variants, the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. Jumping right into it, these devices go up for pre-order on August 8th and then on sale August 23rd. Now pricing, the Note 10 starts at $950 and then the Note 10 Plus starts at $1,099. I will be doing a comparison video of both the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, so be sure you're subscribed so you're notified when that video is live. It will be very soon. Now in this video, I want to go ahead and get a full hands-on experience with the Galaxy Note 10. Let's go ahead and get started. The Note 10 will have four color options: the Aura Glow, which actually color shifts quite a bit, Aura White, Aura Black, and Aura Blue. So starting out all the colors with Aura. And here is the Note 10. As you can see, very slimmed down bezels. It is a really good looking phone. It does have those curved sides. I noticed how light it was in hand right away, especially in comparison to the Note 9. It's lighter. With that 6.3 inch display too, it actually feels very good in your hand, especially with the Note series. You expect a larger size, not in this case. Taking a close look, down at the bottom you have your USB-C slot, one of the stereo speakers, and the S Pen. On the right side, absolutely nothing. Up towards the top is where that SIM card slot is, and then actually where all your buttons are on the left side, your volume rockers and power button. Now they actually got rid of the Bixby button, finally. I'm pretty happy about it. Now you can actually customize the power button to use with Bixby. I'll talk about that in just a second. On the front, you have a 6.3 inch 1080p AMOLED display, very minimal bezels as you could tell. Now it does have an Infinity O cutout towards the middle for that front-facing camera, and then towards the bottom, you'll see, again, curved sides and just very minimal bezels down towards the top, bottom, and sides. And I know there's gonna be a lot of debate over it, so drop a comment, let me know if you like that Infinity O display, especially it being completely centered on the screen. For that camera system on the back, you have a triple camera with a standard wide-angle lens, an ultra-wide-angle lens, and a telephoto lens. So pretty much the three main ones that you're looking for in a smartphone. I'm excited to test out this camera and take some more pictures with it. However, noteworthy, it does have that night mode option built in. And then of course, when it comes to taking video, they have a live focus video where it will kind of give you a blur effect in the background while taking a video. So we'll have to do some testing as well in the full review of this. Now keep in mind, this specific color is very reflective, but not all of the colors are as reflective as this one. You can kind of take your pick. Now taking a look at the buttons again, you will notice depending on what color you choose, the color kind of cuts out around those buttons. Just kind of something I wanted to make note of. Now that power button is in a convenient spot. It is pretty much right where my pointer finger does lie, which is beneficial for the fingerprint scanner. I'll talk about that in a second. But if I press and hold it, it will actually activate that Bixby voice. Now, how do you turn off the phone? You can go ahead and press volume down and power button at the same time to bring up that power menu, or even in the pull down menu, there is now a software power option to get to that menu as well. You can actually turn off Bixby, so it will act like a normal power button if you'd like to. Another reason I like having that power button on the left side is because there is actually a fingerprint scanner within the Note 10. This is an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner within the display, and I really like it because you can actually press the power button and have your thumb at the ready on the display as opposed to having to press it with your thumb and then move your thumb to the screen. Now after doing some quick testing with that fingerprint scanner, it does feel faster than the S10's fingerprint scanner, so I'm excited to really test it out fully. So far, really good, seems very accurate and snappy. And after going through the design, you noticed there is no headphone jack, and I believe it will come with an adapter in the box. I will show that off when I do my full unboxing video. However, it just seems to be the trend. Unfortunate, I actually do like having a headphone jack. Kind of a shame that Samsung is getting rid of it. However, it seems like all manufacturers are doing that now. Now, in terms of specs, the Note 10 has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of base storage, and that storage is actually UFS 3.0. And of course, with the Note series, a very noteworthy feature is that of the S Pen, which I have right here. This is the new one. Honestly, felt very similar to take out of the phone and hold in my hand as the Note 9's S Pen, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. I'm actually a big fan of the Note 9's S Pen. You will see a new animation when you pop out those shortcuts, such as maybe live message, a translate, maybe you want to take a screenshot. There's a lot of different features that and things you can take advantage of within those shortcuts. Here's a close look at that S Pen. Now the color of it might change depending on the specific color variant that you do buy. This is a unibody design, so that's kind of the biggest design change between the two. However, size feels very similar. It does have that button as well, which you can further customize your actions, whether you're using the camera or other apps. Samsung has actually really improved their handwriting to text algorithm. So I want to show that off right now because you can specifically convert things to a Word document. So here we go. Hi, Mom. Let's go ahead and write subscribe. Make sure to put punctuation as well to make sure we can kind of transcribe that. So let's go ahead and hit save. And then I'm going to actually share that to a Word document. Now you can quickly attach it to Gmail, share it in a specific app. I'm going to go into Microsoft Word, and there you go. In the same format, same color, it completely accurately read my terrible handwriting. So very promising there. Actually pretty excited about this feature. Another new feature of the S Pen is the air gestures that you can do, whether you want to flip the camera, you can actually switch modes, you can go ahead and zoom in and out without even touching the screen. I think they're going to take a little bit time to get used to. They are also offering an SDK for third-party app developers to utilize these gestures with the S Pen. This phone has a 3,500 milliamp hour battery, and they also claim to have some optimizations for this battery, so I'm excited to actually test it out in real-world performance. More to come in the full review, of course. And then, also, if you're looking for more RAM or more storage, the Note 10 Plus will be your option for that. I'll go into more detail on all the differences in that comparison video coming soon. Also, thankfully, Samsung will be including a 25-watt charger with the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus devices, which means it will charge faster than any other Samsung phone out there. Also, just as a side note, the Note 10 Plus, you can purchase a 45-watt charger separately, which will give you even faster charging for that device. A feature I'm pretty excited about that's baked into the phone within that notification panel is the screen recorder function. So you can go ahead and record your screen if you need to show someone how to do something or want to demonstrate something. You can even turn on that front-facing camera, as you can see, and actually have a video of yourself talking and record yourself while you're doing something on the phone. Samsung has also added a feature called Link to Windows, so it will connect to your Windows PC, show off your messages, your notifications, you can screen mirror, and also show off your recent photos as well. So overall, that's everything I want to talk about with my Note 10 hands-on. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to click that thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe as well. Like I said, lots of Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus coverage coming very soon. And as always, guys, thank you very much for watching.